Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my suya stick meat. These are my ingredients. I have some beef meat. I've cleaned it and cut it into pieces. Some onion, garlic, ginger, thyme, curry, aromand, scotch bonnet, Maggi cubes, soya spice, corn oil. In here I have some cucumbers, fresh tomato, onion. I'll show you what to do with it later. Salt to taste, and the stick I'm going to use for the stick mix. Now let's get started. Now I need to put the meat on the pot. Put in my onion, now add my garlic, add my scotch bonnet, add some thyme, add some ginger, I add some curry also, some aromand, now I add my Maggi. Also a little salt. If you can decide not to put salt, because all these ingredients, most of them have salt in them, so you need to monitor the salt you add so that there will not be too much salt on it. So now I need to stir everything together. If you are cooking your beef meat, don't add water on it because the beef has its own water. So you just cover it. You see later the beef will bring its own water out. I'll be back. While we are waiting for the meat to cook, I just need to slice the cucumber. The meat is cooking. You guys see the water in the meat? The meat has its own water. So use this water to cook the meat. Just need to stir it again. Ooh. Our meat is ready to fry. I cooked this meat about 20 minutes. Guys, the meat is ready now, as you can see. Now it's time for me to fry the meat. I'll add, I have my pot here, then I'll put some oil on it. I have some oil already heat. I just want to heat it a little bit. So when it's hot, I'm gonna start frying the meat. Now the oil is hot. I need to put some onion. I'll fry the onion first. Just leave it to fry for a few minutes. I'll be back. Guys, the meat is ready. As you can see, I'll just take it out of the oil and put it here. Now, I've finished frying the meat. It's time for me now to add the suya spice on it. So, I need to put the suya spice. And I'll stir together. Need to add a little more. Yes, can be so tasty. This suya spice, I got it from Nigeria from one mala that sells suya. So I bought it from him. So you stir it all together like this. Guys, try this one. It's so nice. You can do this when you have visitors, or maybe when you have party, or you invite somebody to your house. Just prepare this thing. It's so nice. I used to do it for my friends. They like it so much. They won't ask for more. So now, after doing all this, I'll now start fixing it on the stick. Guys, as you can see, my suya stick meat is ready to eat. You can do this when you invite your friends to home, when you want to do a party, when you want to stay together with your families. You can just do this. It's so nice. So guys, just try it and see. And please guys, continue watching me. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, give me a thumbs up, and share this video. Please share to your friends. Thank you very much guys. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, enjoy your suya stick meat.